Hi, today we are at the Friendly Truck Driving School, and we are going to be checking the wheel rims. For the wheel rim, there is no cracks, no damage, tight and secure. All of the attaching parts, no cracks, no damage, tight and secure. Between the two rims, there is no gap. Two rims themselves, there is no cracks, no damage. They are both tight and secure. And the inside of the rim, there is no cracks, no damage, tight and secure. All attaching parts, no cracks, no damage, tight and secure. Inside, we're looking for evidence of any oil leak, any wheel seal leak, or any indication of a bearing failure, which there is none. We're going to be sure to check this side of the rims too. In between the rims, there is no gap. The two rims, there is no indication of cracks, damage. They're tight and secure. And then Schedule 1, item number 23, the wheel rim. Minor defect, there is no indication, there's nothing listed for a minor defect. A major defect would be a damaged, cracked, or broken wheel, rim, or attaching part. Evidence of an imminent wheel hub or bearing failure. In the case of a major defect, you would note it in your logbook, you would contact the operator, and you would not drive the vehicle until this is corrected.